Let's learn how to speak English in classroom and in any institute and understand their meanings too. Let's start. Open your books. Open your notebooks. अपनी किताब खोलें, अपनी कॉपी खोलें. Turn the page. सफ़ा बदलें. Read it again, please. Please इसे दोबारा पढ़ें. Put your hands down. अपने हाथ नीचे करें. Look at the board. Look at the board. बोर्ड की तरफ देखें. Now come to the next page. Let's learn. Raise your hands. हाथ उठाएं. Raise your hands. Listen carefully and repeat it. गौर से सुने और उसे दोहराएं. Who would like to read? Who would like to read? कौन पढ़ना पसंद करेगा? Come and write on the board. Come and write on the board. आएं और बोर्ड पर लिखें. Do you get in? Do you get it? Do you get it? क्या आपको समझ आ रही है? Now come to the next page. Get in line. Line में लग जाओ. Get in line. Open your books at page 20. Open your books at page 20. अपनी किताब का सफ़ा 20 खोलें. Your time is up. Your time is up. आपका वक्त ख़त्म हो गया. You did a great job. आपने बहुत अच्छा काम किया. You have improved a lot. You have improved a lot. आपने बहुत बेहतर कर लिया है. So, these are sentences which are commonly used in any institute, especially in school and in the classroom. Now come to the next page. We have plenty of time. हमारे पास काफ़ी वक्त है. Which question are you on? आप किस सवाल पर हैं? Whose turn is to read the lesson? सबक पढ़ने की बारी किसकी है? Close your books. अपनी किताबें बंद करें. He is quite good at studies. He is quite good at studies. वो लिखाई पढ़ाई में बहुत अच्छा है. Take care and goodbye.